Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What happens to your inflammation and sleep when you drink cherry juice? Key takeaways. Cherry juice may help with better sleep and reducing inflammation. Drinking cherry juice may lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol. Most studies of cherry juice are small, and its use should not replace medical care. The benefits of cherry juice include: fights inflammation and arthritis pain, reduces gout risks and symptoms, may boost sleep quality, aids post-workout recovery, may reduce blood pressure, can lower bad cholesterol, may reduce risk of diabetes, can fight stress and anxiety, may help short-term memory, builds a stronger immune system, improves vision, may prevent cancer. However, cherry juice is unlikely to help with weight loss. The recommended amount is 1 to 2 glasses per day, and it should be unsweetened. Cherry juice may interact with some medications, so it's important to consult a healthcare provider before consuming it. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.